Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are rounding up the 31 Upwork Secrets. I apologize. This has taken longer than normal, but it's because I don't want to waste your time having to watch lengthy videos because I had a lot to share with you. That was why I broke it into three parts. I promise you this is the last part. So let's get into number 21. Your Upwork proposal is too long. This one thing is ruining your proposal. Too many words in it. Your Upwork proposal is a first impression. The more lengthier it is, the most likely it wouldn't be read. Like I keep saying, just match the energy of the job description that you are applying to. Cut your intro into half. Skip the autobiography about you. Use bullet points instead of writing in essays. Your best idea for the job, let it be in the first three lines of your proposal because that is what your clients will see before they click the remaining part of your proposal to read it. When you respect their time with the length of the proposal you're writing, they'll return the favor. If your prospective clients have to scroll through your proposal, you've most likely lost them at that point. Next, let's fix the tone of your proposal. In number 22, talk like a human on Upwork. When your proposal begins to sound like a robot wrote it, then there is a problem. If your proposal is sounding stiff, then you're creating a distance between you and your prospective clients because clients are seeking for business partners, people who will understand their problem and come in as partners to help them, and not a customer service representative. Now, let's do this. Ditch the dear sir and madam that you're writing in your proposal. Instead, say, hey, the client's name. For example, hey, Adeze, or hi there, instead of saying dear sir or dear madam or dear hiring manager. Also learn to use short sentences and simple words that can be understood. You're not there to blow grammar. Even if you want to show like you're eloquent, use languages or words that are understandable. When you see a job post that you can do and you're looking to apply for it, you can start by saying, hi there, I've tackled something similar to your job post. Here are the best ideas I think that can tackle this. Or here are the best ideas that I think can work for this. When in doubt on the tone to use to write your proposal, write it like you're addressing a colleague at work. I would have said a friend, but no, only you and your friend know how you address each other. So let's not bring that into a professional setting. You need to understand that sounding human builds trust. Your client isn't a judge, they're just another person like you at the other end of the screen. Number 23, ask questions in your Upwork proposal. If you want to boost replies on your Upwork proposals, learn to ask questions at the end or towards the end of your proposal. Most freelancers end their Upwork proposal saying, hope to hear from you. That's in the 80s. We don't do that now anymore. Try this instead. You could say, do you want me to map out a quick action plan for you? Is it okay if I send you more sample workflow? That's because I'm expecting that by now you should have added samples to your proposal. Another question you could ask that could feel a bit personal is, what is it about this project that will feel like a win for you? You should know by now that questions trigger engagement. The best proposals are conversations and not monologues. The proposal that gets a response is closer to winning and closing the deal. Number 24, never beg for work on Upwork. Please stop writing. Please, I need this job. Please try and hire me. Please, I have needs that I need to meet and all that. Don't do that. I'm the one begging you. I'm begging you now so that you don't have to beg that time. It might feel honest, but it's hurting you. Clients don't hire based on needs. I mean your needs. They hire based on the value you bring. Instead of saying, I'm struggling right now and I really need this job, say, here's how I've solved this problem before, and this is how I'll handle yours. Clients want freelancers that are confident in the value they say they can offer. If you're not positioning yourself as a problem solver, they are scrolling to the next freelancer. Confidence is currency. so spend it wisely. Number 25, follow-ups work on Upwork. Most freelancers stop after they send a proposal and maybe there's a conversation that's initiated that you can actually send a message back to the client. When you follow up, it's not you being pushy, it's professional. It's the method or the manner at which you follow up that determines whether it is professional or not. 3 days after applying for a job on Upwork, which was an invitation to submit a proposal, I sent a follow up to the client and said, "Hey, have you found a fit for the job? If not, I can offer you 3 quick ideas that can help you decide." Why this works is because it's friendly, it's short, it's conversational, no pressure, reignites conversation, shows that you care. That follow up alone turned into a $1,000 contract. They replied by saying, "Hey, thank you for following up. We were meaning to send you a message, but we forgot along the line." Stop assuming that silence is rejection. People are busy. So is your client. Number 26. Stop listing every skill you have on Upwork. Your Upwork profile isn't a buffet. Pick a dish. I do design, video editing, copywriting, virtual assistant. Pick one skill, because when you have all that on your profile, it sounds like noise and not value. Too many skills is equal to no clear identity. Clients want specialists and not generalists with so many vague superpowers. Focus on one core problem that you solve and a clear outcome. Person A lists 11 skills. Person B says, "I help SaaS startups with clear onboarding UX writing." Who do you think will most likely get a job? Pick the problem you solve best and go deep into it. Number 27, be the first to apply for jobs on Upwork. I always aim to apply within 15 minutes a job is being posted. Timing matters more than you think. The earlier you apply, the more chances you get of being seen. Many a times when a client makes a job posting, they stay on the app for few minutes and scan the first 5 to 10 proposals submitted. And if they find what they are looking for within the first 5 to 10, they stop searching and they go ahead with who pleases them. How about you fall under that category of freelancers they find? If you're early with your submission, you get the visibility. If your proposal is strong, you're most likely to be converted to work with them. Speed doesn't replace quality. You can have both and multiply them. Number 28, use screenshots or videos as proof on Upwork. Listen, you don't need a fancy case study. You just need receipts that you can do this thing or you have done this thing before. Words can be faked, but results can't be faked. Visual proof like videos and screenshots increases your chances of being credible in the eyes of the client. Show dashboards, show before and after, show Google Drive folders, show client testimonial. Just show something that proves that you have credibility. And hey, you don't need even fancy editing, just show proof. Cut out the unnecessary things in the video and put them together to show that you have built something. Instead of saying, "I improve engagement," how about you slap a graph or a screenshot of the actual numbers you improved on? Which one sounds better? Attach links to proof of work you have done in your Upwork proposal. Let your results do the talking for you. Words tell, but screenshots sell. Number 29. Be so good that they bookmark your profile on Upwork. Some clients might not hire you today or immediately, but they will save your profile for next time. I've seen it happen a couple of times where clients come back to hire freelancers they had past conversation with. How do you think they found them? Is it by searching their name? They certainly saved them to come back to them later. You can impress a client by being thoughtful, asking smart questions, offering value even in a proposal, and sounding like someone they'll want later. Sometimes it could be that they found you as a good fit after they had hired or considered someone else. So you're not losing entirely. Every interaction you have with a client is an audition. So treat it like one. Leave a lasting impression in their mind. Number 30. Don't wait to feel ready before you start applying for jobs on Upwork. Waiting to feel ready is just fear in a nice outfit. We think readiness is a feeling. It's not. It's a decision. You used to tell yourself that I'll start once I feel confident. Here's the truth. You'll never be ready. Confidence is the result, not the requirement. Just start before you feel you deserve it. Your first proposal wouldn't be perfect. That's how it works. But you don't grow by watching. You grow by moving. Write, send, apply, learn, then repeat the process. That's how you win. The only way to feel ready is to do it before you feel ready. Number 31. Be gracious on yourself and keep applying. Don't give up. Don't feel discouraged. Don't feel like you're not doing enough. Sometimes your breakthrough comes immediately. Other times it takes longer than normal. So if you have tried all of this and it looks like you're not seeing results, it doesn't mean you're doing it the wrong way. It just means that you're making progress. And sooner than you expect, your results will come. But you will never know when your results will come when you stop. These 31 Upwork secrets gave me clarity, confidence, and most importantly, clients who value my work. You don't have to copy me. You just need to settle down and adapt all these 31 secrets in all the 3 videos to fit into what suits you. Now, I need you to make a promise to me that you're going to apply each of these tips I have shared one day at a time and watch what the results will be for you. If this gave you a light bulb moment, hit the like button. It helps the algorithm push it to more people that will find it useful. Then smash the subscribe button so that you keep seeing relevant tips and tricks like these about Upwork, freelancing, and remote work. Now, go build the Upwork career you said you wanted. I'm rooting for you.